Hi, this is the day 8 of the series vlog named Documenting My Entrepreneur Journey. So today I haven't done anything significant. So what I would say to you, I'm just procrastinating. My tabs on Chrome is increasing day by day. I have opened four different tabs. I mean, four different playlists in my laptop, and I have uh, three different window in one ID, just one ID. Uh, Look and see. I'm not sure is it clear or not, but there is three window and each window has more than five tabs. I don't know when I will finish this. And some of you were commenting that buy a microphone or improve my sound quality. So thanks for your opinion, bro. But I have good quality microphone, condenser microphone, wireless microphone. Everything. I have a soundproof studio. I have a 85-inch smart board in my room, in my studios. But I am trying to be honest. What is the sound? There is a sound in my air conditioner. I don't know why. Whatever. Uh, I'm so scared. Sudden sound happened in my air conditioner. Whatever. So what I am taking, I have tried to watch some tutorials about UI UX design, which is my main target in next 100 days or next 6 or 7 months, whatever. Uh, but I'm just procrastinating. But I have to do a lot of work. Today I have gone to my university, and in the backbench I have applied two different jobs, and I have to apply for one more jobs, which is Ali Abdal's. Uh, I mean, to join Ali Abdal's team. So for that I have to renew my resume, and after that I will apply here. And today I haven't outreached not any client because I'm just procrastinating, bro. It's a pathetic journey of entrepreneur, I know. But I have to more focused. I have to more regular in my work because for the past 5 or 6 days I'm just procrastinating. I'm just doing almost nothing. So I have to come out from this situation because I have to do a lot of work if I want to be successful. Because I'm ambitious, I want to be successful. I'm not like that. Oh, life's going. Whatever goes. I want to be successful. I want to lead a proper life. I want to uh, lead a life what I want. That's why I have to work a lot. I have to. I don't think that at the initial stage of career, uh, no one has to maintain the work-life balance. So, so main thing, I have to work hard. I have to work more. This is 2:30 a.m. just the midnight, and I haven't done anything. So it's pathetic. It's very harmful for me because I'm just struggling with myself because at this point, the 2:30 a.m. at this midnight, I will not able to focus anymore in new any task because I have ADHD. So I have to struggle with myself. It's a huge pathetic journey, but I think I will be successful one day, and I will be able to share my journey with you. And again, sorry for my weird grammatical mistake and weird accent because English is not my native language, but I'm trying to improve my English. Whatever. uh, if you don't able to hear my voice clearly, it's not for my microphone because I'm recording from mm, decent or average quality phone. This is Pixel, so the video quality is average, not so good or not so bad. uh, this is the sound problem is for my voice or for my accent. Whatever. uh, Tomorrow I will try to finish those lecture, and try to finish whatever I have wanted for to do for past 1 week. Okay. And obviously I will share it with you. And tomorrow I have a meeting with my client, I mean previous client, Time Dot Academy. I'm running their ad, and in this window you can see their ad is right. And we have spent $199 in last 20 days. It's so little, but the result is good and we are satisfied, and we'll show to my clients. So that's it. That's all for today. Hopefully see you soon, and remember one thing: never ever give up. Never ever give up. I want to see you win. Bye.